Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. So you should be in your class, which is live online virtual engagement, and click on Microsoft Teams. You go to support. Yep, here's support for Microsoft Teams. Click on add a new discussion topic. Type in your topic. Click on team meeting. And then try to sign in with your Microsoft account and make sure that you have a Microsoft account. Sign in. Awesome. So you signed in, and now you're gonna create a meeting link. Okay, so you can type in the title of your meeting. Select the date when the meeting is going to take place. Say the 24th. And time. I'll make it see 10:30 a.m. to 11:30. Right. Once you're done choosing the date and time, and then you click on create. Okay, this is what I often experience. So say your meeting wasn't created successfully, please try again. Okay, I'll try again and see what happens. So anyway, I seems to have trouble again. Continues loading. So what I'm gonna do is I will ask Dr. Nelly to just help me But what should have happened is that the system automatically create a link here, which I can then click add link, and then I'll be able to send it in to my group members for them to register for the meeting. But now I'm unable to do that. I tried for many attempts, but it still failed. Thanks for watching, and I hope next time it will work.